The multiple interactor intersection test evaluates the ability of the CxDC to prevent collisions at intersections with multiple trackless mobile machines. During this test, interventions from the CxD system will be applied to all test vehicles. In this test vehicles 1 and 2 are heavy mining equipment machines. Test vehicle 3 is a light-duty vehicle. A 90-degree intersection is used. The test area speed limit must be at least 20 km per hour. Test vehicles 1, 2 and 3 approach the intersection at 10 km per hour.